Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know security is key, especially when transferring assets like USDT. Today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to send USDT from your Ledger Nano X to your Trezor wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. Make sure you have your Ledger Nano X fully set up with the Ethereum app installed, since USDT runs on the Ethereum blockchain. You'll also need your Trezor wallet connected and ready, along with a stable internet connection. Oh, and never share your recovery phrases, keep them ultra secure. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X by entering your PIN on the device. Once you're in, open the Ethereum app. This is where you'll manage your USDT. Step 2. On your computer, open the Ledger Live software and navigate to the Accounts section. Select your USDT balance, easy to spot since it's tied to Ethereum. Step 3. Get the receiving address from your Trezor wallet. Plug in your Trezor, open the Trezor Suite app, and go to the Wallet section. Copy the Ethereum address where you want to send the USDT. Double-check this address. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Step 4. Back on Ledger Live, initiate the transfer. Click on Send, paste the Trezor address, enter the amount of USDT you want to move, and review the transaction details. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen. It'll show the details for your approval. Hit Confirm, and voila, your USDT is on its way. A quick tip for 2025. With evolving crypto regulations, always verify network fees and use hardware wallets for better security. Avoid public Wi-Fi during transfers to prevent hacks. And there you have it. That's how you securely send USDT from Ledger to Trezor. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.